right? So this is the torsion spring. This is the one of the element of the rotational system, right? And one more is moment of inertia of the mass. What is moment of inertia of the mass? See the definition from the Wikipedia. So moment of inertia is a quantitative measurement of the rotational inertia of the body. Nothing but the opposition that body exhibits to having its speed of rotation about an axis, right? Up, which is altered by the torque. In the translation system, the input to the system is force. In the rotational system, the input to the system is torque. Is it clear, all of you? The input to the translation system is force. The input to the rotational system is torque, right? Here, the moment of inertia nothing but the opposition that the body exhibits to have its speed of rotation around an axis. The formula is, we know, you all are aware of this formula, moment of inertia, which is ratio of angular momentum to angular velocity, right? So this is one moment of inertia is one of the mass is one of the element of the mechanical rotational system, right? Another one is torsional spring. Torsion spring is one more component of the system. Similarly, dashpot with rotational friction is third element of the rotational system. If you see, this is the best example, right? Dashpot, right? So if you observe, yeah, right? This is some exercise equipment which has rotational motion, which has some rotational motion. So if you observe, see, a rotational friction element often consists of an object moving in a fluid, very similar to translating dashpot, but with a rotatory motion, right? Rotatory motion. An example of such device is used in some exercise equipment, right? The photo below is an exercise trainer with a pedal wheel in liquid. That is the blue circular object. This is this one, right? As you exercise, the vanes of the pedal wheel move against the fluid, creating the torque in resistance to your motion. Create a torque in a resistance to your motion. What is dashpot? It is nothing but a piston inside a viscous liquid or fuel, right? So it's the same thing, right? This is the pedal wheel in liquid, right? As you do the exercise, the vanes of the pedal wheel move against the fluid, and which creates a torque in resistance to your motion. That is, if you are applying the torque in this direction, right, your your rotational friction is in opposing direction, is opposite in direction, right? So if the torque is in their direction, the rotational friction is in opposite direction. Similar to the force, if you are applying a force in this direction, the opposing force, which is friction, is in opposite direction of applying force. Similarly, the torque is in this direction. Why like this I'm drawing means it is a rotational device, right? It is a mechanical rotational system. That's why I'm drawing like this. If this is applying torque in this direction, you are opposing torque, nothing but the friction is in this direction, is in this direction. That's what he is explained, right? The vanes of the pedal wheel whose movement is against the fluid, creating a torque in resistance to your motion, right? Which gives some which forces some opposing torque, right? So these are the basic elements of the rotational system. Coming to other points, they are similar to translation system. Similar to translation system, here if you observe, the weight of the rotational mechanical system is represented by the moment of inertia of the mass. Similar to translational system, the weight of the translation system is represented by the mass of the system. Here, moment of inertia of the system, right? The elastic deformation of the body can be represented by the torsional spring, similar to translational system. The friction existing in the rotational system can be represented by the dashpot, similar to translational system. The dashpot is nothing but a piston rotating inside a cylinder filled with some viscous fluid. Right. Third point, similar to translational system. When a torque is applied to rotational system, it is opposed by the opposing torques due to moment of inertia of mass, due to the friction of the dashpot, friction in the dashpot, and next, elasticity of the system. Similar to translation system. When a force is applied to the translational system, it is opposed by the opposing forces due to mass and dashpot and the spring. Similarly, when a torque is applied to the rotational system, it is opposed by the opposing torques, which is due to moment of inertia of the body, due to rotational friction of the body, rotational friction in the body, and elasticity of the system. Right? So similar to translation system, these torques are related by Newton's second law of motion, which states that sum of applying torques equal to sum of opposing torques. Similar to translation system, sum of applying forces equal to sum of opposing forces. So in the rotational system, the output is angular displacement. But in the translation system, the output is linear displacement, which is x. But in rotational system, the displacement is angular displacement. And the velocity is d theta by dt, which is angular velocity omega. And the acceleration is d square theta by dt square. And t, tau or t, either this t or tau, which is applied torque. And J is the moment of inertia of the mass. B is the rotational friction coefficient of the dashpot. K is the stiffness of the torsion spring. So these are the basic information about the mechanical rotational system. Is it clear, all of you? First of all, I want to know. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Say yes or no. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
From B section, nobody is responding. Is it clear, all of you? B section guys, unnara leda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about CRs? Are you there? CRs of B section. Are you there or not? So similar to force balance equations, here we should write torque balance equations. Similar to force balance equation, we should write torque balance equations, right? So somebody asked, what is the units of angular acceleration, which is radians per second square. The unit of angular displacement, radians. The unit of angular velocity, radians per second. The unit of angular acceleration, radians per second square. Okay, radians per second square. Okay, so see, d square theta by dt square. Theta nothing but radian. T square nothing but second square. Right. I think it's clear. Right. Now we should write torque balance equations. Right. What are the torque balance equations? See, here the direction of the torque and the direction of the displacement. If you observe, this is around an axis. It is rotating around an axis. If this is the rod, or this is some cylindrical rod, రైట్. మనకి రొటేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, షాఫ్ట్ రొటేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది మోటార్లో, రైట్. సో ఇట్ rotating about an axis. So here the torque is like this. Here the torque is like this, the direction of the torque, and the direction of the displacement is also in the direction of the torque only. So first we considered an idealized torque, an idealized mass element, an idealized mass element. So an idealized mass element nothing but which has negligible friction as well as the elasticity, So similar to translation system, how we discussed the same thing here applied for the negligible in the translation system, for the negligible in the translation system also. For an idealized mass element, we considered negligible friction as well as the stiff and the elasticity. Here also, for an idealized mass element, we considered negligible friction as well as the elasticity. Right. Now, here this is the applying torque. This is the applying torque. So, when the torque is applied to the rotational system, this moment of inertia of the mass of the system is forces some opposing torque. Is forces some opposing torque, whose opposing torque due to the moment of inertia, which is proportional to angular acceleration, which is proportional to angular acceleration. So the T suffix j, T suffix j, which is nothing but T suffix j, which is nothing but opposing torque, capital T torque, due to j is nothing but moment of inertia of the mass or body, right? Tj is nothing but opposing torque due to moment of inertia of the body. The opposing torque due to moment of inertia of the body is proportional to angular acceleration. Similar to translation system, the force, opposing force due to the mass Fm is proportional to d square x by dt square, where linear displacement, right? This is the input force and acceleration is the output. Here in this case rotational system, the torque is the input and the opposing torque is due to moment of inertia of the system, which is Tj, which is proportional to angular acceleration d square theta by dt square, d square theta by dt square. So then capital J is the proportionality constant. Similar to here, translation system, how do you write the force balance equation for the mass? Fm equal to m into d square x by dt square, isn't it? D square x by dt square. Here also similarly we have written Tj equal to j into d square theta by dt square. Similarly, considered an idealized friction element, that is dash pot, rotational friction element with one fixed end, similar to translation system, whose displacement is theta, whose displacement is theta. Here the opposing torque due to this rotational friction element is proportional to angular velocity, In the translation system, the opposing force due to dash pot is proportional to linear velocity, which is dx by dt, right? And which is write it as capital B into dx by dt, isn't it? The same thing we should write here. Here the input is torque, and which is B is proportional to angular velocity, which is d theta by dt, and the opposing torque due to the friction, rotational friction element, which is equal to capital B into d theta by dt, which is angular velocity, right? Now the an idealized rotational friction element with two free ends, with two free ends, one and second. So which has two displacement, theta 1 and theta 2, similar to translation system, x1 and x2. Then what is the opposing torque due to rotational friction element, which is proportional to resultant velocity, which is theta 1 minus d theta 1 by dt minus d theta 2 by dt. And the proportional constant is like this. Similarly, now considered idealized torsion spring. The opposing torque due to the spring is proportional to theta because one fixed end. So Tk equal to Kt, where K is the stiffness of the spring. If the two ends are free, the resultant displacement is angular displacement is theta 1 minus theta 2. So torque Tk equal to K into theta 1 minus theta 2. Is it clear, all of you? How do we write torque balance equations similar to force balance equations? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right, no. Coming to guidelines, which are identical to translation system. So what should we do first in translation system? Right? First, we have to identify the number of nodes in the system. Right? So what are the nodes? Nodes ante?
Meeting point.
Right. Here also, if you study the point, first point. So in the rotational system, the differential equations representing the system are obtained by writing the torque balance equation at nodes in the system. Similar to translation system, we are writing their force balance equations. Here we are writing torque balance equations at the nodes. The nodes are nothing but meeting point of the elements. Here the nodes are nothing but mass elements with moment of inertia in the system. Here the nodes nothing but J. మనం అక్కడ మాస్ ఎలా తీసుకున్నామో మాస్ ఎలా తీసుకున్నామో ఇలా. Now it's time to take moment of inertia of the mass like this. We have to draw the free body diagram and mark the applying torques as well as opposing torques. Right? If you observe here also, in some cases the nodes may be without the mass elements, similar to translation system. Right? What is the second step? We have to assume the number of angular displacements depends on the number of nodes present in the system. Number of nodes in the present in the system, similar to translation system. Translation system లో ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం, ఎన్ని మాసెస్ ఉంటే m1 m2 ఉంటే x1 x2 అన్ని డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ తీసుకునే వాళ్ళం. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, j1 j2 మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇనర్షియా ఆఫ్ ద మాస్, దాన్ని బట్టి మనం θ1 θ2 యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ పాయింట్. థర్డ్ పాయింట్, draw the free body diagram similar to translational system. Draw the free body diagram like this. M applying force and the displacement here in the direction of force. This is the applying force and some opposing forces due to Fm, Fb, Fk, like this. ఇంకేమైనా ఉంటే ఇంకా FB1, FB2, FK1, FK2, like this. Okay. Here also, rotational system, we have to mark the torques, all the torques, opposing torques, but we have to draw like this free body diagram. Draw that like this. First we have to draw the and cylindrical rod like so. This is applying torque tau, and the displacement is in the direction of the torque theta. Now opposing torques. First one, opposing torque due to moment of inertia of the body. Right? Next, opposing force due to rotational friction. Opposing torque due to torsional spring. So this is how we mark the torques on the rotational body. Here, this is how we mark the forces on the translational body. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right, Nana. Right. So after marking the torques, And after writing the torque balance equations, you should apply Newton's second law of motion. You should apply Newton's second law of motion. So what is the Newton's second law of motion? Here, what it states? What is the Newton's second law of motion? Anyone?
Sum of applied forces equal to sum of opposing forces.
That is in translation system. I'm asking in rotational system. I'm asking for rotational system.
Sum of applied torque equal to the sum of opposing torques.
Right. Sum of applying torques equal to sum of opposing torque. After writing the differential equations using Newton's second law of motion, take Laplace transform of those differential equations and convert them into algebraic equations. Right? Then rearrange those algebraic S domain equations as a ratio of output to input variable, which is also called transfer function of the system. This is the guidelines and the procedure. How do we solve the problems based on the rotational system? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we take one problem? Shall we take one problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the problem, given problem. What are the objectives he is asking? First, write the differential equations representing the system and find the transfer function of the system. Right. So here he has given only single displacement only. But how many nodes in the system? How many nodes are present in the system? How many nodes? How many nodes present in the system?
2, sir.
2, J1 and J2. These are the two nodes present in the system. So we have to take or assume second displacement theta1 and తీసుకోవాలి. We have to take one more displacement which is theta1. Right? He has given one displacement theta, and we have to assume one more displacement theta1 based on the node, depends on the node, right? So here what is the output? What is the output here? What is the output here? What is the output?
Angular displacement.
Angular displacement theta1 na theta na?
Theta.
Theta is the output. Second one, second node దగ్గర ఏమో
సంవత్సరం ముద్ర పెట్టిన
right? So what is the transfer function now? Tell me. What is transfer function? T of S. What is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function here?
Theta of S by tau of S.
Right, theta of S by tau of S. Theta of S by tau of S, where output is the angular displacement, input is the torque. Right? So how many nodes? 2 nodes. So we have to take displacement theta1. Consider, assume. Right. So I'm drawing the first free body diagram. Is there any applying torque on J1? Is there any applying torque on J1?
Yes, sir.
This is the applying torque, input torque, which is tau. Now we are assuming the displacement theta1, right? Theta1 మనం assume చేసుకున్నాం. Then we have to mark the torques, right? Similar to translation system, we have to mark the, I mean, we are marking the forces in the translation system, applying force as well as opposing forces. Here also, applying torque mark chesam. What about opposing torques? Evem untai opposing torques? Node 1 meeda. What are the opposing torques here? What are the opposing torques here?
TJ1, TK, sir.
Right, very good, Nana. T or tau, మీరు ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. J1 and one more is okay. Right. Then as per Newton's second law of motion, what is the relation? Sum of applying torques equal to sum of opposing torques. Tell me the relation. Anybody tell me what is the equation we are getting? Applying torque and opposing torques. What is the relation we are getting? What is the relation we are getting here? Similar to Newton's second law of motion in the translation system. What is the relation? What are the applying torques here? Applying torque ఏంటి ఇక్కడ?
Tau, sir.
Tau.
Tau equal to tau J1 plus tau K, sir.
మరి దాన్ని చెప్పడానికి ఏమైంది? ఇదే కదా నేను అడుగుతున్నాను. Tau J1, tau K. Right. Then what is tau J1? For torque balance equations, tell me. What is tau J1? Torque balance equations. What is tau J1?
J into D square theta by D.
Not J అమ్మ, ఇక్కడ J1. వాడు ఇచ్చాడు మీకు M1 M2 ఎలా ఇచ్చారు అలానే J1 ఇంటూ చెప్పండి J1 ఇంటూ
D square tau theta 1 by dt.
D square tau theta 1. Why tau theta 1?
Theta 1, sir.
Right. D square theta 1
D square theta 1.
by dt square. Then what is tau K? Opposing torque due to elasticity deformation. Tau K.
K into theta 1 minus theta, sir.
Very good. That's a simple one. K into theta 1 minus theta 2. We have to substitute these two torque balance equations in the above equation. Right. Coming to second free body diagram. J2. Is there any applying torque on J2? Is there any applying torque on J2?
No, sir.
No. So what about the displacement? What is the displacement here? Given displacement theta. What are the opposing torques now? What are the opposing torques? What are the opposing torques on J2?
Tau J2, tau K, and tau B, sir.
Right, very good. Very good. Tau J2 is one opposing torque. Tau K is one more opposing torque. Extend here, right? Tau B is one more opposing torque. Then what is the relation here? As per Newton's second law of motion, is there any applying torque?
No, sir.
So 0 equal to, what are the opposing torques? Sum of opposing torques. Tau J2 plus tau K plus tau B. tau B. What about torque balance equation? What is tau J2? What is the equation? Tell me. What is tau J2? Torque balance equation. Tell me. Anyone? What is torque balance equation? Tau J2. Chapandi.
J2 d square theta by dt square.
Right. J2 d square theta by dt square. Next, ఇంకేమైనా opposing torques? Tau K. చెప్పండి. What is tau K? What is tau K?
K
Tau
into
of
theta minus theta 1.
K into theta 2.
theta minus theta 1. ఇంతకుముందు ఏం రాసాం మనం? అంతకుముందు రిజల్టెంట్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఏం రాసాం?
Theta 1 minus theta.
రైట్, theta 1 minus theta. దీనికి వచ్చేసరికి theta minus theta 1. నెక్స్ట్, tau B, థర్డ్ అపోజింగ్ టార్క్. టెల్ మీ.
B
What-
into d theta by dt.
Right, very good. B into d theta by dt. So we have to substitute this 3 torque balance equation in this Newton's second law of motion equation. That's what I did here. If you observe this, this is the differential equation representing the system, first differential equation. So we are converting into algebraic equations by applying Laplace transform. J1 into s square into theta 1 of s, k into theta 1 of s minus k into theta of s. I am splitting this term. ఈ term ని split చేస్తాను, and t of s. Finally, take the theta 1 of s common from these two terms, which becomes j1 s square plus k minus k into, this is equation 1. Right. So coming to second equation. So this is the second differential equation, which after substituting the balance equations, torque balance equations, apply Laplace transform, s square theta of s, s theta of s, split this term, k into theta of s minus k into theta 1 of s. Take the theta of s common from these three terms, which becomes this term and minus k theta 1 of s. From this, what is theta 1 of s? Take this term into your right hand side, 0 side, and take theta 1 of s, calculate theta 1 of s, which is theta of s into this term by k, which is number 3. So, but what is the transfer function? What is the transfer function we want? ఏం కావాలి మనకి?
Theta of s by tau of s.
Right, theta of s by tau of s. So for that, we should eliminate theta 1 of s term. So second దాంట్లో మనకి second equation లో, I mean not first equation లో మనకి ఇక్కడ theta 1 of s term ఉంది. దీన్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయడానికి మనం ఇక్కడ theta 1 of s ని in terms of theta s లో తీసుకున్నాం. Now I am substituting this equation. I am substituting this equation in this equation. In this equation, in the place of theta 1 of s, I am substituting the term. So finally, this is what I am getting. After substituting theta of s into this term minus k into theta of t by s. Take the theta of s as common from these two terms. Take the LCM k by 1. Take the LCM and take this theta of s to your left hand side. Write the move this entire value after taking the LCM to your right hand side. So finally, we are getting the transfer function, which is theta of s by t of s, which is k by this denominator. This is how we should derive the transfer function of the rotational system. Is it clear, all of you? ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ సిస్టమ్ అర్థమవుతే రొటేషన్ సిస్టమ్ చాలా ఈజీ అమ్మ. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవి, ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో, ఫస్ట్ మిడ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఎగ్జామ్. 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now this is the problem. Note this problem and solve at your home. So em adugutunnadu, write the differential equations representing the rotational system shown in the figure, and also find the transfer function of the system. Also find the transfer function of the system. So what is the transfer function here? This is theta 1, already marked here, already given in the problem, and the second displacement is theta. What is the transfer function now? What is the transfer function now?
Theta of s by tau of s.
Right, theta of s by tau of s. That's what he calculated and getting. So what is moment of inertia? What is torsion spring? Right, I have defined here. Right. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? ఒక నిమిషం.